Hello friends, welcome back, and today in this video we're going to see a bakery style tutti frutti filled bun. It is almost like the dilkhush and dilpasan but easier version, for which I have taken coconut and then I'm taking cinnamon, clove, nutmeg and cardamom. In goes into the grinder and you can make a powder of it, along with it some nuts and raisins. So I'm giving a good mix. Now I'm adding sugar. You can adjust it to your taste. Along with it we can add the grated coconut. It can be dry coconut, and the star of the recipe is these tutti frutti. You can use any variant, any color. So give a good mix, and I think I was short of tutti frutti and now I added a little more. Now we take the bun and give slits like this, and also don't forget to add slits in between, so we can have the fillings filled inside also like this. Now we'll start filling the fillings that we just made like this, and give a good mix, and you can see how nice and tasty this looks. This used to be one of the favorite childhood memory from a bakery near where I used to stay. That was called a Bakeland Bakery, one in Yashwantpur, and my favorite.